It's an 8x20 Superior shaker triple deck. We screen our 3/4 P-rock and sand off of it. We've had it a little over 2 years and been running great. I'd have another one in a heartbeat. Up in the high desert, this particular site is running about 65 to 45% rock or sand ratio. We make all types of aggregate for concrete, asphalt, base. I've been in the business for 17 years and I've dealt with different types of screens, and we've got a couple different screens at our plant here. Just as good as any other shaker out there. Notoriously, middle decks on shakers are really hard to get into. There is extra room in there. So when you get in to change screens or have to do repairs, it's easier, which is nice. You know, and it's nice for my guys. I would have no problems having a plant full of Superior shakers, none. Makes our money, that's what I want.